The Two Standards by Horacio de la Casa. Life is a warfare between two standards. The standard of Christ and the standard of Satan. It is a warfare older than the world, for it began with the revolt of the ancients. It is a warfare wide as the world. It reaches every nation, every city, and in the heart of every man. Satan desires all men to come under his standard, and to this end lures them with riches, honor, power, all that ministers to the lust and pride of men. Christ, on the contrary, invites all to fight under his standard. He offers no worldly allurement, only himself. Only Jesus, only the Son of Man. Born an outcast, raised in poverty, rejected as a teacher, betrayed by his friends, crucified as a criminal. And therefore, his followers shall not be confounded forever. They are certain of ultimate victory, and against them the gates of hell cannot prevail. The power of darkness shall splendor before their splendid battalions. That's scarred but resplendent. They shall enter into glory with Christ, their King. Two armies, two standards, two generals, and to every man there comes the imperious cry of command. Choose! Christ or Satan, sanctity or sin, heaven or hell. And in every choice he makes, he summed up the life of every man. The two standards.